Chicago Pneumatic Air Compressor Technical Support Group is based here in Rock Hill, South Carolina, and we provide support to all of our North American customers.
A lot of times if it's something that, an end user calls, they have a problem and it's not something that they can handle, we'll reach out to the distributors and get that set up and maybe start a relationship also between the distributor and the customer. And if the distributor gets on site or they have a customer call that needs something, we're still here.
Our distributors go through a vetting process to ensure that our end users are receiving competent advice, competent sales instruction, and competent support from our distributors.
We talk to a lot of these guys on a daily basis, not only just for repairs, but we may send something to them for them to a prospective sale or repair that may need to be done. It's a good one-on-one relationship.
A distributor or end user can always call us at tech support.
8 to 5 Eastern time. You can call us at any point in time, or you can email us, and that way we can answer your questions and give everybody the same equal support.